Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of Keurig K-Mini coffee maker available, each with its own characteristics, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. Fits anywhere, less than 5 inches wide, perfect for small spaces. Your perfect amount: brew any cup size between 6 to 12 ounces with Keurig K-Cup pods. 1 cup reservoir, just add fresh water to each brew. Fast and fresh brewed, coffee made in minutes. Quart storage, for easy transport and tidy countertops. Travel mug friendly, removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.0 inches tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Energy efficient, auto off feature turns off your coffee maker 90 seconds after your last brew, helping to save energy. Compatible with the K-Cup universal reusable coffee filter, brew your own ground coffee, sold separately. Included in the box, Keurig K-Mini single-serve coffee maker. Matte finish, sleek simplicity meets modern style. The K-Mini coffee maker is available in a variety of matte finish colors. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.